Mary, the printer is not working again.
What happened?
I pressed print 10 minutes ago. Nothing came out.
Is it on?
Yes, the light is green, but it is making a strange noise.
Let me see. Oh, the paper tray is empty.
I checked the tray. It has paper.
Wait, there is a paper jam. Look here, inside.
Oh no, we need this report in 5 minutes.
Do not worry. Pull this part slowly, like this.
It is stuck.
Try again, gently.
Okay, it is coming out.
Good. Now press print again.
It is working. The pages are coming out.
Always check for paper jams first. It saves a lot of time.
You are right. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. Now let us go. The meeting starts soon.